Hi, it's Chris here from HAART Estate Agents in Maidstone. I am today in Woodpecker Road, where we're off to go and see a wonderful 3-bedroom semi-detached property which has got an awful lot to offer, with lots of living space inside, plenty of garden space as well, and this garden has been immaculately looked after by the current owner. So this one, we should really go and take a good look inside and see what we all think. So as you can see, this property has got an awful lot to offer, with easy access to local amenities, some great schools very close by it as well. So this one really should not be missed. You've got lots of living space, and this beautiful garden is where I'm going to leave you now, and where I'm going to enjoy some afternoon sunshine and this wonderful garden.